me in. Get me in. Hey, I need you to help me get up here real quick.
What floor?
Pete, which floor are you on?
Third floor.
Third floor. Direct 510 Bravo 1 scene with a blowout kit.
Is this the only floor? Are you okay?
Yeah, thank you very much. We're good.
This way, this way.
Thank you. All right, which room?
330.
330. 332 maybe? Pete, you over here? Over here? All right, go back inside. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Okay. Do you have any other injuries?
Do you have any other gloves?
I don't have any other gloves.
Hi man, I'm Officer Lou. Miss Wilson, can you talk to me real quick? Sydney, can you please talk to me? We just want to check
I
out.
don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the
Oh, Jesus Christ. Back up! No! Oh, yeah! Back up!
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Hey, man, I got nothing to do. Please back up.
Oh, yeah.
Back up.
Oh, yeah.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Fight to the one bubble. Single one. Shots fired.
What is your location?
322, apartment 322, 11830, Sunrise Valley. Start medic, please. The suspect's down. I need medical too.
Units are out, send it up, and fire department is en route.
Box 1-1 Bravo, show me a route to that.
Direct. 531 Bravo.
Five to the one bubble.
Are you all inside the apartment still?
No, I'm in the hallway.
Direct.
Man, you okay? Fight to the one bubble. I need med kit, please.
They're in on.
Can you get the ambulance and other officer to come here? They en route, just make sure they come in the right directions. I already called, just make sure they come out from the right elevator.
SOD1 on channel 5.
Go.
Do we have anybody else standing?
Negative.
Are they around?
Check.
I need which floor are you on?
Sir 4, 322.
Right, 5,
Are you okay?
I'm just lightheaded. Just give me a
Are you
second.
okay? Are you okay?
Okay. Do you have any other injuries?
I don't know.
I don't have any of those.
Get rescue in here, please.
Sorry, from a fire department station, I'll take them in now.
And CD41 have fire inside.
Direct.
Take care of him, take care of him, I got it.
Okay. Do you have any injuries on you other than your face?
I don't know. I don't think so.
that the man she shot?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get, you're not cut anywhere. Where is she shot?
Multiple times, upper torso. I might shot her in the head. I'm not sure.